Alang araw sa inyong lahat mga ka-rider. Ngayong araw na to, pag-usapan natin ang Yamaha Sniper 155R inspired of YCF R1. Tara, bigyan nating silip ang kanyang specs, function at benefits. Tara, let's go! Introducing all new Yamaha Sniper 155R inspired of YCF R1. So pang millennials na motor. It masculine, sharp and dynamic looks. Ito ay naka dual path caliper, naka anti-lock braking system or ABS, single hydraulic disc brake. At size ng kanyang gulong is 90 by 80 by 17. So tubeless type. Front suspension is telescopic fork. Ito siya. So mas pinagalit at pinaangas ang kanyang headlight at taillight. Is LED lights, high beam at saka low beam. Napakasilaw nito, especially pag gabi. So ito ang kanyang Yamaha emblem logo. Meron din siyang M-shapes sa kanyang front assist and a slippery clutch. So ito naman ang kanyang LCD inverter panel. So dito ang makikita mga details, ang neutral indicator, fuel gauge indicator, set ng orasan, odometer, kilometer. Sa left side makikita ang high beam, low beam, meron siyang passing light, turn signal left from right at saka horn. So with assist and a slipper clutch. Sa right side makikita ang throttle, front brake, meron din siyang kill switch for safety feature, hazard lamp, push start. So starting system niya is electric starter only. So meron din siyang electric power socket, pwede kang mag-charge gamit ang iyong cellphone. Ignition system is TCI, transistor control ignition. Pagdating sa kanyang taillight is LED lights, turn signal left from right is bulb type. So rear tire size is 120 by 70 by 17. So rear brake is single hydraulic disc brake. So ito rin ang kanyang vascular muffler, pillion lights, sniper decals stickers. So meron din siyang variable valve actuation or VVA na tumutulong sa pagtipid sa konsumo ng yung gasolina. Ito naman ang kanyang rear brake with the engine type of liquid cooled 4-stroke, single overhead cam at 4 valve with cylinder arrangement of single cylinder. With maximum horsepower of 13.2 kilowatts at average of 9,500 RPM at maximum torque na merong 14.4 Newton meter at average of 8,000 RPM with a SRP price of 145,900. Kapag mag-installment ka naman, mag-down ka lang ng 11,234 at sa 3 years monthly mo, magma-monthly ka ng 6,179. Rebate 200. Color variation niya is matte black. So bagay ito sa edad 20 to 30 years old. Pang millennials na motor. Other benefits niya, meron siyang assist and a slipper clutch, VVA, smart key, Meron din siyang masculine, sharp, and dynamic looks. So that's all for today. Sana nakatulong ako sa pagbibigay ko ng idea sa inyo mga ka-rider. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel Arjun TV Vlog and my FB page Arjun TV Vlog na nag-iwan sa inyo na ride safe, keep safe. And always wear a 7 senses when you drive. See you on the road!